So Nikki is in a number 5 here, in a number 3 pinnacle, and she is a number 6 life number. 6. So how do you read that? Don't forget she has a number 5 pinnacle.
This
attitude.
Number 5.
She has a 3 and 5.
3 and 3. No, 3 and 6.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 3 and 6.
3 and 6 with a 5. And then she's in a 3 pinnacle with a 5 here. Number 5 here. Remember the
clean up yourself inside your environment, your own environment. Settle, organize. Not really go outside. Yeah, for you it's like your own environment, your own community.
Where are you getting that?
Number 6, number 5.
Okay. So you're in the number 3. She's in the number 3 pinnacle now.
Oh yeah, right now, but the year
is the number 5,
right?
and she has a number 5 first attitude and a number 3.
It's like a puzzle.
Feel into it. What you're saying is correct, but I wanted to know where did you?
I want to find out the 3.
Yes.
I feel
You don't know enough about the 3?
number 3. I think I don't really know something number 3. Number 3 to me likes to enjoy, to be more optimistic. Then community. The number 3 was community. Community and community.
Okay. Difference between community and social.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's social. Okay, so
A 3 is social.
social. Yes.
A 9 is community.
Yes.
All right.
That's why I messed up myself.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. That's why I was thinking, where did you get community from?
Community. That's why I feel in the social. Yeah, the number 3 is social.
Yes.
Oh, that's why you go out to teach something to the outside. That is the social, social life.
Yep. Making the
But
social
now-
network bigger.
It's the more like a inside the small community, right? This one I feel it's about the number 6. To clean up the inside, it's not social life.
Correct.
More come back
The
to
contradiction is the 6 and the 5 here.
Yeah.
The 6 is more contained, and the 5 is more expansive. Okay. What else? What else can you see or feel?
So actually, it's good timing to go out for yourself, for your own family, yourself more like to find the real relationship. You find yourself from the outside. That's why you go outside to meet friends, to see the different philosophy or whatever. And then after you bring back to your own place to grown up and blossom as what you are doing, who you are. This year maybe she can make herself, you can make yourself put more decorate for yourself, which you didn't have it, or that you didn't even realize, you didn't even go for it. But since you go out to bring back to yourself, so the place is gonna be more beautiful and brighter, colorful.
If you were to speak in Japanese, would you be using different words? Would you be more fluent? Because I get that you are really intuitive and sensitive and you're getting the right feeling, but you're probably not having a trouble with. Yeah.
I put, and then they always say the one says more like a white.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you were speaking in your own language, you probably be able to use more.
Yeah. For the
descriptive
numerology,
words.
I feel
Yeah.
the Japanese very easy.
Yes, I see.
I can
So
speak
you
more
can
to the
corner the
story.
Japanese market. Yeah.
Come up to the business
I'm
side.
serious.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I feel for the numerology, the sound healing is different.
Yes.
Numerology is very tough.
Yes.
To learn is okay. To learning by the English is okay. But when I want to explain about my things,
Yeah, but okay, so just as an experiment, can you please say what you want to say but
In
in
Japanese.
Japanese? And don't worry,
Now?
yes, don't worry if we understand it or don't understand it. It's just the frequency of your
Yeah.
energy. So tune in and say it in Japanese without worrying whether we
Understand
understand it or not, and
Because we'll
just
get the
feel it.
frequency.
Because we will get the frequency. Okay? Go.
you sure?
Yes.
Now.
100%?
もともと内を見るのがとても好きな人なんですよ、ニッキーさんは。内を見て自分の中でとてもそれをディベロップしていく、作り上げていく。だけれど内にもともと好きなものは外にあるかもしれない。それに気づかずに内の中を見ている状態かもしれない。だからそこの一番大事なところを守りたい。でもあなたのその3番っていうものはとても楽しいものを見つけに行くことが好き。それがその自分の中ではなく、今度は外の世界で楽しいもの、美しいもの、新しいものをどんどん見つけて、それを持ってきたい。それを助けているのが今のナンバー5っていう、その外に出ていいよというその力。それが今入ってくることによって、あなたはどんどん膨らんで、とても居心地がいいところを作り上げる。今まで持っていなかったものを作り上げる。それはもうあなたの世界、あなたのその自分の中のもの、小さいコミュニティであったり、家族であったり、そういうものがどんどん新しく芽生えていく。そういう年。
When you first
Sorry.
started, I almost felt like crying. The compassion and the love you have, the sensitivity you have when you speak your language, it just doesn't need to be translated. You need to do for Japanese people, right?
Yeah.
And you really have it as a gift. Because your sensitivity is so high, like tuned to such a high sensitivity. Like, seriously. In Japanese, you are perfect.
Okay, thank you. But I really feel hot, when I go into these kind of things, and
Yes.
when I do the healing,
Yes.
to,
Yeah, it means you're downloading.
Yes.
Yeah, it's okay. Wow. That's what numerology sounds like in Japanese.
Yeah, beautiful.
It's beautiful. It's like, how did that feel?
Yeah, it felt very
so
it felt very alive.
And
Yeah.
it felt very natural.
Because whenever we're speaking with our native tongue, or the language that we're most comfortable with, there's a whole different piece that comes in, that shows up. Yeah. So to be able to receive from you in your mother tongue just hits on a completely different level. Whereas, with English, because it's not your first language, and so it's more heady. Whereas this was just really embodied what you were sharing. Yeah. So it felt,
actually very frustrated. because I see the things. I see the vision.
And you don't have the words in
Bible.
English
Yes.
to explain it,
That's
which is fine.
Yeah.
I mean, like, we
Actually,
know
not
what you
really
mean.
fine, but because I
No, no,
keep
no.
myself frustrated.
Yeah, I mean, like, I can't understand Japanese, and we're doing this course in English. But what I'm saying is that when you speak it in Japanese and you have Japanese clients, don't have English clients, okay? You have English clients, it is going to, it doesn't feel whole.
Yes, like,
Yeah. You have the Japanese, you have also the Japanese numerology, can incorporate it,
yeah.
can combine or can do it so that it's your own. Don't worry, I mean, I teach my numerology and I teach Ashley Young method or I teach Ashley Young numerology, but I don't have a thing about saying, no, you can't mix it with other thing or you can't, you know, that's how this is supposed to be done. No. Do you see what I'm saying? Because your culture, your dreams, your hope, your love, your compassion is rooted in your Japanese heritage. And Japanese people would understand that, would connect to that. Yeah. And whatever numerology that is in Japanese can also support that. Alright? Like, seriously, do Japanese clients. Don't try to do
In Malaysia.
Yes, in Malaysia you have to, I think you have to go 2 months Japan, 2 months to Malaysia, 2 months Japan. And do your healing in Japanese.
Okay. Because the sound healing is very
Yes.
interesting. I don't really have Japanese client.
Exactly.
Mostly it's the Malaysian or the
Because
Korean.
there's no need to
There you
speak.
go.
Yes.
They don't.
Yes.
I
Is there
spoken to
a
them.
Japanese community in Malaysia?
Yes.
Okay, good. Start